Watoto kutoka kwa shule ile, huwezi kutarajia kwamba wafanye mtihani sawa, kumradhi.
Hawezi. It's impossible.
Kutoka Nairobi
No,
ama Mombasa. Jambo la kusikitisha. Kwako Sam Gituku na Mashiga.
All right, thank you so much, Lulu and Jeff. And to start us off, even as we reflect on what we just watched in Kitui, let's see what the Presidential Working Party on Education Reforms is saying. They are recommending that the 2-6-3-3-3 structure be adopted. 2 years pre-primary, 6 years in primary, 3 years at the junior school, 3 years at the senior school, and 3 years at the university, which is a minimum number of years. Beyond that, they are saying that the subjects that are being offered in these institutions need to be reduced. For instance, the pre-primary level, which is PP1 and PP2, the subjects should be 5. For those that are in lower primary, that is grade 1 up to 3, a maximum of 7 subjects. For those that are in upper primary, that is grade 4 to 6, maximum of 8 subjects. For those that are in junior school, that is the current junior secondary school, grade 7 to 9, the number of subjects is being reduced from 14 to 9 subjects. Then for the senior school, this is what you currently may call senior secondary school, then that is grade 10 up to 12, there should be 7 subjects being offered. For the university level, then they are talking about the minimum of 3 years per program. Then there's also a proposal to change the structure of the schools, to change from primary schools to comprehensive schools, which will house the PP1, which is in early childhood education, up to grade 9, which is the end of junior school. That is what that says, and of course there will be all this contained in that institution. So that is sort of changing the structure of the institutions as we know them. We'll later talk about the assessment that is being proposed on how to assess, not to examine, especially these learners from different levels of education. But Professor Odote, you sat in that Presidential Working Party and you came up with this report. First of all, tell us, why are you suggesting to reduce the work